Yeah. Hi Amit, good evening, and thanks friends for joining. I hope my screen is visible. Amit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Visible.
okay. So let's start. We have till now we have finished week 5 and week 6, and I have shared the links to the recordings also. And today we'll start week 7. Okay, of game
Sir,
theory.
when we will do LLM, sir? Because
LLM
I
week 5 we will do at 9 o'clock tonight.
okay, okay, sir. I have seen the lecture of week 8, and week 8 is all about theoretical parts about the
Yeah.
data set and pipeline.
Yeah, yeah. So there
Yeah,
is no problem. Okay, today we'll do week 5, and there
yes,
is
sir.
no week 6. So tomorrow I will try to finish both week 7 and week 8 tomorrow for LLM. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So let's start with this game theory. So we'll follow the same routine. First, we will cover the important concepts. So week 7, the first concept was matching. So in the matching, what is the basic concept? That there are candidates, for example, so many candidates, they are applying to so many universities, and how to allocate these students to the universities. So this is one matching problem. Similarly, there is a problem, for example, there are doctors, and there are hospitals. The doctors are applying for the hospitals, and how to allot these doctors to the hospitals. And this allotment should give some satisfaction and should be stable. So that is the matching. Regarding this, Lloyd Shapley and Alvin Roth, okay, they were given Nobel Prize in 2012. So without going much into the theory, I will directly come into the practical from the quiz point of view. So this is one example. For example, these are a woman, Anne, Beth, Cher, and Dot, and these are the men, Ball, Cal, and Dan. So these are the preferences from the women's side, and these are the preferences from the men's side. Now, how to find a stable matching? And what we mean by the stable matching, that once you have got a stable matching, then a matching system is called stable if under it there cannot be found a man and woman who are not paired off with each other but prefer each other to their actual mates. So what is the meaning of this? For example, this is one example: A, and this is the preference of small a, small b. So there are two types of possible matchings are in this. Either A can be coupled with A, B with B, or A with B and B with A. Now, how to check whether this is stable or not? So we will take first matching, this one, example one. So we take A to A. Now see what are the preferences of A. So preferences of A is AB. So already A, big capital A, is with his first preference. So A will not ask B. Ask B. Okay. Now we check for A, small a. A small a preference is AB again. So A is also with his best preference. So he will not. So A will not ask B. So we can say that this is a stable matching. Is that okay, Amit? How to check?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Now we take the second case, for example, AB and BA. So in case A, A's preference is AB. So what he will do? He's with B. He will ask, A will ask B. Now B is with whom? B is with B. And B's preference is what? B's preference is AB. So B will accept. B will accept A's proposal. Therefore, this is not stable. Is this clear? Okay, how to check stable and not stable?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, so that's how you check, okay, stability and non-stability. Okay, and directly we will go to the theorem, okay, how to check uh, about that. This is the theorem, how you do that. So I'll take this example and we'll solve it. So what do we do? These are the females, A, B, C, D, capital, and these are their choices. Similarly, for the males, these are the choices. So what do we do? This can be formulated in two ways. One is when male are proposing. Second, when females are proposing. And from both, we can get a stable matching. But remember, when we will get from here, the males are proposing, it will be beneficial to male. Okay, these are the important points. And this will
ये 1
be
मिनट दोबारा
beneficial.
शुरू कर सकते हैं? ये वाला क्वेश्चन, आई एम सॉरी, एक बार एक बार।
हाँ, हाँ. So what we did, okay, first we covered that what is the something called stable matching.
हुँ,
Stable matching happens only when they both are together. They might not be with their best choice,
हुँ, हुँ, हुँ,
okay, but there is no other better choice they can get.
हुँ, 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 हुँ।
That is called okay, stable matching. So we took this example, a very small example, this one. So this is AB, capital AB choices. A likes AB. So we can write down here like this. A is AB, B is also AB, and small a is AB, and small b is also AB. These
Are
are the
you writing
choices.
somewhere?
Yes, is it not visible?
Yes, sir. It is visual.
Here in this part
अच्छा,
where my mouse is hovering.
अच्छा, नहीं, नहीं, आई कांट सी, जस्ट हैंग ऑन, आई विल रीजॉइन, वेट।
Yes, yes. Yeah, is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
यस, यस।
Yeah, okay. So this is a very small example. There are two females, capital AB. Their preferences are both of them, they like small a to small b. So we can write down this like this. This is their first preference, this is their second preference. And for the males, similarly, for both males, capital A is the first preference and then the B. Now their matching when we do, either matching can be this capital A with small a and capital B with small b, or capital A with B and capital B with A. These are the two matchings. Now how to find which one is stable? So to check stability. So we take first example A and B. So A is AB. So A is with his best choice. So A will not deviate. A will not deviate. He will not ask anybody. Is that okay? Now come to A, small a. A small a preference is also AB. So he is also with best choice. So A, small a will also not deviate. So once this is not deviating, it is stable. So this also becomes stable. So we can say this is stable matching. And we can check the second part also in case of this doubt also. Now see for B. B choice is also AB. So what he will do, but he is with B. So B will propose to A. Propose A. A choice is AB, and A is already with A, so A will decline. Decline. Now similarly for B, B choice is AB. B will propose to A, but A is already with her best choice, so A will decline. So therefore, this becomes stable. This might not be the best, okay? Remember, BB is not the best, but it is stable. Is that okay? Somebody can acknowledge, then I
No,
can.
no.
Right.
I'll see. I think I'll go back and see because I could not. I was joining, rejoining. So you please
Yeah,
go
it
ahead.
will
I'll try to
be
join back. I
with
will
you.
see
Yeah.
later.
No, no. This is the only important part here. How you check stability. So if you want, I can cover it again.
Hi. Yes, please. That'd be very helpful. What are
Oh,
these? A small, big A, B. I
okay.
mean caps and small. Who are
Yes,
these?
yes. So I'll tell you. So this capital A, B, these are females.
Acha. Okay.
These are males. Okay.
Okay.
Now, for female capital A, her first choice is male A and then male B.
Okay. Because two is greater than one. Correct. No.
Yes. So it is like this.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Similarly, for B, also the choice is A and B. Okay.
Ah. Yes. Yes.
And this is for males' choices. For males, A choice is AB, and for B also AB. Is this okay?
So just one second. So the capital A
Yeah.
choices A B means just because A and B both are there, that is why we are writing. Is it like that?
No, this is like one, two. So first choice is A,
Acha.
second choice is B.
Acha, these are not numbers. These are choice numbers. Okay.
These are the
Okay.
priorities.
Priorities. Okay. 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 Hmm.
Okay.
ठीक है. Understood.
Now,
Yeah.
when you do the matching, either you can match A to A and B to B,
Yes.
or you can match A to B and B to A.
Yes.
Now, how to find that which is a stable matching and which is not a stable matching? So, how do you do that? So, you take first part here. This is the first matching, this is the second matching.
Hmm.
So, you take first A, okay, and B. सो यू सी ए का फर्स्ट जो चॉइस है उसका जो मैचिंग है वो ए बी है
Yes.
फर्स्ट ए
Yes. Yes.
सेकंड बी सो
Correct.
ए इज ऑलरेडी विद द फर्स्ट सो ए विल नॉट प्रपोज टू बी
Correct.
विल नॉट डेविएट सिमिलरली दिस स्मॉल ए इसका जो चॉइस है वो ए बी है
Correct. Correct.
ए विल आल्सो नॉट डेविएट
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
नाउ पे अटेंशन टू द सेकंड पार्ट B's choice is A B but he is with B so B will propose to A
Hmm. Hmm.
to
Hmm.
A but A is with A, best
Correct.
choice.
Correct. Correct.
So A will decline.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Okay. Similarly, B is AB. So B will propose to A. A is already with A. So A
Yes,
will
yes.
decline.
Ah. Yes. Yes. Clear. Clear. Hmm.
Therefore, this AA and BB is a stable matching.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Okay. Now, point to
Yes.
remember that this guy is not with the best match, his favorite, but still
Correct.
it is stable. Okay. So the
Hmm.
definition is important. A matching system is called stable. If under it there cannot be, this is the important part, there cannot be found a man and woman who are not paired off with each other, but prefer each other to their actual mates. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Now we take the second example. Second matching is AB and BA. Okay. Now A is choice is AB, but he's with B. He will propose to A,
Hmm.
and A का जो choice है वो AB है. So
Hmm.
A will accept.
Hmm.
A will accept.
Yes.
So as soon as one acceptance takes place, it is not stable.
Understood.
You don't have to check for everything.
Understood.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this we have checked, okay, how to check the stability and all that. Now this already I have covered. There are some cases जिसमें दोनों ही जो वो होते हैं दोनों ही स्टेबल होते हैं.
Hmm.
Okay. So example is this here. Now we'll solve this also here only, and you guide me how to do this. Okay.
Okay.
So here now the choices can be again
A to
A,
small a, हाँ,
B
and
to B,
B to, and
and
ulta,
A to B, and B to
B
A.
to A.
Now let's check A A.
So yeah,
A choice is B A,
B A. Yeah.
so he will propose to B,
Yes.
but B is with whom? B is with B.
हाँ. नहीं, B is with B. Why? B.
B is with B, and B का जो वो है sorry,
हाँ हाँ.
B का
अच्छा
जो
अच्छा. Okay okay. We are starting
B
with
का
this.
जो
Okay.
प्रेफरेंस है वो है B
जी.
का प्रेफरेंस इज ए बी.
B का preference is AB.
So B will accept.
Yes.
So therefore this is not stable.
Hmm.
Now let's check this. A is with B. A
Hmm.
B. A का B A है, so A will not
To A.
propose to A. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
B का जो है वो A B है,
Hmm.
so he is also with A, so B will also not propose. Okay. Take second B A. Now B का जो वो है B का है A B,
B का है
and
AB.
B,
Yes.
so B will also not propose.
Hmm.
A का जो है A is with AB,
AB is AB.
so
Yeah.
A will propose to A,
Hmm.
but A is with whom? A is
B.
with
B.
B, so he will
Correct.
decline.
Yes.
So therefore this is stable.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's take another example also. Example 3. We had taken this 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, let's take this example जहां पे दोनों ही स्टेबल आ जाते हैं. Rajan, can you guide me in this one? I'm just asking so that okay, all of us we are on the same page. So again, A and B, we can check A. So A का जो preference है is BA. So
Yes.
A will propose to B.
B. But
B
A
का
was with A, na?
हाँ, A is
A
with
तो
A.
unstable.
A is with A. So he will try to go to his first choice.
Yes.
So he will propose to B. लेकिन जो B का जो choice है वो क्या है? B A है.
B का चॉइस है बी ए. हाँ.
एंड जो बी है ऑलरेडी बी के साथ में है तो ही विल डिक्लाइन. बी विल डिक्लाइन.
B. Yeah, yeah. Decline. Yeah.
ओके. नाउ कम टू ए. ए का है ए बी, सो ए
A
विल
B.
नॉट प्रपोज, ए विल नॉट डिबेट.
Hmm. Correct.
ओके. नाउ कम टू सेकंड पार्ट. बी इज विद बी. बी का
Hmm.
जो चॉइस है बी का है ए बी,
A B.
सो विल प्रपोज टू ए.
Hmm.
ए का क्या है? ए का है ए बी,
A B.
सो ए विल डिक्लाइन.
Hmm.
नाउ बी का क्या है? बी का है बी ए,
का है बी ए. Hmm.
so will not debate.
Hmm.
Therefore, this combination is a stable combination.
Understood. Okay.
Now let's
अच्छा,
check.
उसमें एक्सेप्ट कर लेना चाहिए, तब तब वो अनस्टेबल होगा.
Yes.
The other person is ready to accept. Okay.
yes. Now दूसरा भी हम check कर लेते हैं. A B and B A.
Correct.
Now A B, A का है B A,
B A.
so A will not debate.
Hmm.
बी का
एंड
क्या
बी
है?
का
बी
है
का
बी ए,
बी
कैप्स
बी
बी।
ए.
हम्म,
सो ही विल प्रपोज टू
बी।
बी. लेकिन बी का
बट
क्या है? बी है
बी से
ए बी के साथ में.
ए के साथ, हाँ।
with so B will decline.
हम्म।
Okay. Now come to
हम्म।
BA. B का क्या है? AB.
हम्म।
So B will not deviate.
हम्म।
Come to A. A का क्या है? AB. So he will go to A.
हम्म।
Propose A. But A किसके साथ में? A की choice क्या है? BA. And
हम्म।
already he's with B. Therefore B A will
यस।
reject.
यस। अच्छा, मतलब इसमें डिक्लाइन करने के लिए ये रिक्वायरमेंट है क्या कि वो उससे ऑलरेडी फर्स्ट चॉइस के पास होना चाहिए?
Yes. First मतलब उसकी choice के आगे choice है. जैसे इसमें A will go to propose to A. ए की
हम्म।
चॉइस क्या है? बी ए है. सो ऑलरेडी वो तो बी
हम्म।
के साथ में है, तो ही विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट ए ना.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट। हम्म।
ओके, सो इन दिस केस दिस इज एन एग्जांपल वेयर बोथ आर स्टेबल. सो दिस इज
यस।
आल्सो स्टेबल एंड दिस इज आल्सो स्टेबल.
हम्म।
ओके. Okay, so this we have learned okay, that we can go get two stables. Third example is that you can work out this. Okay, it is easy. फिर उन्होंने they have given another example. Divide an even number of बच्चों का है, टीममेट्स का है. So directly I will go to the algorithm, okay, how it is we find this. Okay. So this concept okay, we have covered. So I was covering this part okay, that these are the females and these are the males. So same example is there. यहाँ पे females की choice है और यहाँ पे male की choice है. We have to remember two very important parts, that we can get the stable matching by two ways. One is when the males are proposing. Second, when the females are proposing. The stable matching when we do by male's proposal, it will be beneficial to male. And when we do by female's proposal, that will be beneficial to females. And how do we do it? I'll just cover it. So I will cover males proposing to females. So what do we write? We write down all the females A, B, C, D. Okay, so this is step one. Now, which all males will propose to A? So we can check from here. A, B, they like A. So A and B, they will propose to A. Is
हम्म।
it clear?
हम्म।
Okay. B, C will propose.
यस।
C, nobody will propose.
सी नोबडी विल प्रपोज, हाँ।
And D, D will propose.
यस।
Okay. Now, this female has been proposed by AB. So we go to this female and check her preference. So for A, preference is DCAB. We can write down
हम्म।
here DCAB.
हम्म।
So she will reject B.
हम्म।
Okay. She rejects B. So what B will do now? B will go to his next preference, which is D.
बी विल गो टू, अच्छा, द स्मॉल बी, हाँ, ओके।
Small B will come here. He will propose to D.
बी विल कम टू, या
See,
डी।
see, see, see the preference. Okay. So we can write down here, okay, starting May, we can write down the preferences to solve this. B ka, for example, if we see
बी
B,
इज बी
D, B, D, A, C.
डी ए सी। बी डी ए सी।
C is D, A, B, C.
सी।
D ka C, B, A, D.
हम्म।
A ka A, B, C, D. A,
हम्म।
D, C, B, A, C, D.
हम्म।
And D is D, C, B, A.
डी सी
D,
बी है।
D, B, C.
डी बी सी
D.
है। डी बी सी है।
Okay. Now this is the step two. So now B has come to D. Now check for D. किसका कहाँ पर है? तो D is C B A D. So what he will do? He will decline, reject D.
हम्म।
Okay. Now, when he rejects D, D will go where? D had gone to initially D. Now it will go to B. It will come here. Is this okay?
एक मिनट, ये हमने कैसे लिखा?
जो
ये
जो
ए ने तो ए ले लिया,
डी की
देन
जो
बी
चॉइस
ने
है,
बी ले लिया। हाँ,
जो डी की चॉइस है was DBCA. So D has
हाँ।
declined. So he will go to his next preference B.
हुँ, हुँ,
Okay. Now check for B, CD, B, C, D. So he will reject now C.
करेक्ट।
Sorry, sorry,
जो
sorry,
हायर
sorry.
प्रेफ़रेंस है वो लेगा, करेक्ट ना?
Yes, so higher preference. Now check for C. C will go to now to whom? A.
हुँ,
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, step 4. So now here will become AD, sorry, AC. It is D, this is B. Now check for A, AC. A again we go. So it will reject now A.
हुँ,
Now step 5. Now where A will go? A will go from A to B. So here we get C, D, A, comma B. So now check for B, 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 D, A, C. So he will decline
रिजेक्ट ए।
A,
हुँ,
reject A, reject A. So now
यस,
where A will go now? He will
ए
go to
विल गो टू
C.
सी। हुँ,
C. Okay. Step 6. C, D, A, B. And
हुँ,
now all are occupied. There is no
हुँ,
rejection. So this is how
यस,
we get the stable now matching.
अच्छा,
So what we got? We get AC, BD, CA, and DB. And here
यस,
only now we can check कि इनका जो benefit है benefit क्या क्या है. Okay, so I'll copy from here and I'll write down here this part. So see, in this case, A is with his second choice.
यस,
So we can write down 2.
हुँ,
C is with his second choice.
सी इज़ आल्सो विथ सेकंड चॉइस।
Okay. B is with second choice.
बी इज़ द सेकंड चॉइस, यस।
D is also with second choice.
हुँ,
C is with first choice.
फर्स्ट चॉइस, यस।
And D is with C, third
3
choice.
थर्ड चॉइस,
Okay. And D is with second choice.
सेकंड चॉइस,
And B is with
सेकंड
second choice.
चॉइस।
So these are the benefits. So we can get okay, here the benefits. Okay, these steps are clear. Anybody any
यस,
doubt? Okay, I can cover it again.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, do you want to do this exercise when the females are proposing, or
ओके,
you
दैट
can do
मीन्स वी
it?
विल स्टार्ट विद एबीसीडी, हाँ, छोटे वाले ऊपर।
हाँ, फिर हम छोटे ABCD से चालू करेंगे.
Yes, sir. And then we will be choose preferences in male.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So that okay, I'm leaving as a homework. Please do
ठीक है,
that okay, and we can revert back on WhatsApp okay, tomorrow. Okay.
ठीक है।
Okay. Now, so this is one part okay, we can do this. Okay. So second is optimality. Optimality का मीनिंग वही है जो मैंने यहाँ पर कवर किया कि जब मेल प्रपोज करता है तो वो बेनिफिशियल मेल के लिए होगा. इट इज नॉट
हुँ,
ऑप्टिमल फॉर फीमेल. When females are proposing, it will be optimal for females, not for males. Okay, that is the
ओके,
only takeaway. That is the only takeaway. Okay, so I have written down also. Man proposing gives optimal result
सो
for
दैट मीन्स
man.
दे
Woman.
कैन बी डिफरेंट, हाँ?
Yes, yes. So
Yeah.
when woman will propose, okay, this जो ये वाला है, this will give a different solution,
ओके, 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 ओके,
and this will be optimal to woman.
ओके, ओके, ओके।
Okay, so that is the takeaway optimality. Okay, so Then he has given example like where all this can be applied. So Rajan, coming to your point of view, so this is one algorithm which can be used in industry, and it is still being used. For example, college admissions, hospital allotment of doctors to hospitals. So this algorithm can be straight away used.
It is like priority list only, no, actually.
Priority list, okay, but you're allotting dynamically.
अच्छा,
You're keeping
okay.
somebody in waiting list and then doing dynamically. Okay, now if you take this example like college students, okay, they are filling forms like in Delhi University, so they have to give the priority one, two, three, four. The colleges also have got. So once the college gets okay, some student, they fill it. They get better, then they will reject. Okay, okay, so this all is theoretical part. Straight away, can we come to the GAs okay, for this?
Yes.
These are the main points. Okay. So first question is straight away from theoretical part. A matching system is called stable if under it there can be a man and woman who are not paired off with each other but prefer each other to their actual mates. So यहाँ पर क्या है? There cannot be. There cannot be. ये
Correct.
बोल रहे हैं कि there can be. So this is false.
Hmm.
Okay. Second, a stable matching system serves the interests of the matchmaker whose recommendation will be honored, but it does not necessarily serve the interests of all community members. So this is true. We have seen.
ठीक है.
Okay. So it depends okay, who's proposing, whose okay, recommendation is being honored. The Gale-Shapley algorithm may not work if the number of men does not equal the number of women. That is false. It is still works. Okay.
What is Gale-Shapley method?
दिस इज द एल्गोरिथम जो हमने अभी किया था दिस मेथड जो हमने यूज किया था दिस इज नोन एज गेल शेपले एल्गोरिथम
Okay.
ये जो अभी हमने किया था ना यहाँ पर
Step wise वाला. Okay.
ये स्टेप वाइज सो दीज आर द गेल शेपले एल्गोरिथम
Okay. अच्छा, it doesn't matter, huh? They can be unequal also.
यस यस
Okay.
देन fourth, choose the correct alternative. A stable matching system is not necessarily a system under which everybody is satisfied. So this we have seen in example 1.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is true. A matching system is stable when no unmatched pair will find it beneficial to deviate from the matching and form their own match. So that is true. Okay, then only it is stable. So both the statements are true in this case. Next is matching system that is obtained when the woman proposed is optimal for every woman. That is true. Okay,
हाँ,
that comes
correct. You
from
said those
optimality.
statements. Yeah.
Similarly, the matching system that is obtained when the man proposed is optimal for every man. So both statements are true. Choose the correct alternative. The Gale-Shapley algorithm terminates after a finite number of steps. So that we
Yes.
have seen with the example, it always terminates. Okay. Now they have given a community consists of 3 women and 3 men. They're given the same structure, woman and man. Determine which of the following matching systems is stable. So we can follow the same method which we used.
Hmm.
Okay. Do you want me to do this or you can do
नहीं, ये
all?
try I ask others. I think I would like to try, but they can try. You can ask.
Yeah.
What about other guys? You want him to solve?
Sir, in the second block, I can see there are two ones. Like, are they having the same preference?
Yes, yes. So B is a care, B likes a care, all three, A, B, C.
Okay. So, how are we going to rank them then? If it is not
Okay.
one, two,
So
three,
it is not ranking. In this question, they have just
like
asked you which is stable and which is not stable. Okay. So we can do this, no problem. So let's check first. A, C, B, B, C, A. What is the method? What is the A choice? A choice is A, C, B. A, C, B. So what A will do? A is with C. A will propose to C. Sorry, A.
A will propose to A. Yes.
Okay. Now, A choice is what? A choice is BAC, and he is with B.
Yes.
So A will reject A. Is this okay? Clear?
Yes.
C choice is A B C. A
ABC.
B C. He is already with A,
Yes. Yes.
so no action.
Yes.
Okay. Now come to BB. B choice is CAB.
Okay.
So he will propose to A also. He will propose to, and he's with B, to C also.
नहीं, ये किसका है? बी का ना?
हाँ, बी की जो
बी
चॉइसेस
का
हैं, बी का देखो,
सी ए बी.
सी
हाँ.
सी ए बी है, और ये अभी बी
सी ए
के
बी
साथ
है.
में है, तो
हाँ.
ही विल
प्रपोज
वो
टू ए एंड सी. यस.
ए एंड सी. नाउ ए का चेक करो, ए का क्या है? ए इज बी ए सी.
बी ए सी.
बी ए सी. और अभी ए किसके साथ में है? ए क्या है? सी
ए
के साथ
को
में है.
सी के साथ में. हाँ.
सी के साथ में, देयरफॉर ए विल एक्सेप्ट
एक्सेप्ट.
बी.
यस.
और जैसे ही एक्सेप्ट होता है, इट मींस इट इज नॉट स्टेबल.
करेक्ट.
ओके, एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड है कि दिस पार्ट है
यस.
क्या?
यस.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we come to the second. We check second. Second is AC, BA and CB. So AC तो हमने यहाँ पर चेक कर लिया है, फर्स्ट पार्ट, उसमें there is no change. Let's come to BA. So BA का हमने क्या चेक किया था? CAB. So in this case, B will propose to whom? C.
यस.
C की चॉइसेस क्या हैं? C की हैं A, B, C.
यस.
This is
सी.
small c.
यस.
And presently जो C है किसके साथ में है?
वो
छोटा c?
ए के साथ है.
A के
बड़े
साथ
के
में,
साथ.
so he
तो
will
ही
not
विल नॉट
accept.
एक्सेप्ट. यस.
Now come to A. A के जो choices हैं वो हैं B, A, C. Therefore no change.
हम्म.
Is this clear everybody है क्या?
यस.
I hope everybody is getting this idea. Abhinit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Rajan? Because this is the basics of this. Okay. Now we come to CB. So CB का फिर से देखो, कैपिटल जो C है, कैपिटल C is indifferent. He likes
यस.
all A, B, C, and he is with B, so he will not
नॉट
ask anyone.
प्रपोज.
है ना?
यस.
Propose. Come to small b. Small b is also indifferent.
सेम.
He is also
सेम.
A, B, C. So he will also not ask. So this is becomes okay, what it
स्टेबल.
becomes? This becomes stable. Okay. These two parts
यस.
okay, I will leave to all of you. You can solve it. Just like use this basic principle. How we are doing, how we are solving. Do you want me to solve this again? One okay, third part. Anyone?
आई थिंक नॉट रिक्वायर्ड.
Not right.
No,
Okay.
no, we'll try, but yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now we come to the, so this we have done community wala. Okay. Now we come to this preferences. The preferences of 5 men A to E and 5 women A to E are given by the following tables. So see, this is the woman. This is their preferences are like this. And for men, these are like this. So we will try to solve this by using the algorithm.
इसमें खाली ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि किसका लेना है? क्वेश्चन में तो कुछ लिखा नहीं.
नहीं, वो दोनों ही लेने थे, वो मैंने बाद में किया था, जो डॉक्यूमेंट मैंने बाद में शेयर किया था ना आपके साथ में.
अच्छा. 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 हाँ. हाँ. हाँ.
ये
हाँ.
मैंने रिविजिट करके किया था क्वेश्चन 8. ये फिर से कर लेते हैं
ओके.
इसको.
अच्छा, दोनों करने हैं. ओके.
सो दिस विल डू दिस अगेन. सो इसमें हमारा सब क्लियर हो जाएगा. And in the question what they have asked, okay, who is proposing? By the how many round does it take to find a stable match if man make proposals? Okay,
ओके,
man are making proposals.
तो मैन मेक्स प्रपोजल तो ऊपर छोटा ए बी सी लिखना होगा ना?
हाँ हाँ, नहीं नहीं, छोटा नहीं, बड़ा लगते हैं। जब मैन करते हैं तो बड़ा लिखते हैं।
ओके, मैन
ए
करते हैं तो फीमेल ऊपर लिखते हैं, इज इट?
बी,
ओके,
हाँ, वुमेन को प्रपोज कर रहे हैं ना।
ओके।
ओके, तो इसके पहले हम पहले क्या लिख लेंगे, सबसे पहले क्या इनकी सबकी प्रेफरेंस लिख सकते हैं एज ए
हुँ,
शॉर्टकट। तो हम यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं,
ए की है
इसको मैं थोड़ा बड़ा, छोटा
और
कर देता हूँ पहले
डी,
इसको।
ए,
ए बी सी डी ई,
बी,
ए
ई,
बी सी डी ई।
ई
सो
एंड
ए का देखो, डी ए बी,
बी इज़ ए, सी,
डी ए बी,
बी, अरे भाई ई भी था, बी एंड डी, सी, डी, ए, बी, सी, ई, सी, ई, सी।
उल्टा लिखा हुआ है इन्होंने, ये ऐसे है और ये ऐसे
ये
है
ऐसे
ना।
कैसे
वन टू,
पता चला आपको? उल्टा
ये
लिखा
वन
है?
टू थ्री फोर,
Because
वन
that's
टू थ्री फोर,
main preference.
1 2 3 4 5, इस तरीके से।
अच्छा,
तो ए का देखो
और
यहाँ पर, ई ए बी, ई ए बी,
ई,
डी सी।
ए, बी, डी, सी। अच्छा,
ये
दिस
ठीक है।
इज सी है। हुँ।
ये हो गया हमारा कंप्लीट है क्या स्टेप?
हुँ,
ओके,
यस।
नाउ अब क्या हम चालू कर सकते हैं इसके साथ में अपना हाउ टू स्टार्ट। तो मैन प्रपोज करेंगे हमारे, चलो तो यहाँ पे लिख
हुँ,
लेते हैं हम, ए बी सी डी एंड ई। तो
ठीक
देखो,
है।
ए को कौन प्रपोज करेगा सबसे पहले?
ए को ए को
ए
कौन
को कौन
प्रपोज़
लाइक करता है
करेगा?
सबसे पहले?
ए को सबसे पहले डी,
डी लाइक करता है, तो ये इसको
बी,
डी प्रपोज करेगा। बी को कौन करेगा? ए एंड ई।
हुँ,
सी को कोई भी प्रपोज नहीं करेगा। डी को बी प्रपोज करेगा एंड ई को भी कोई प्रपोज नहीं करेगा। सो दिस इज योर स्टेप 1। स्टेप 1 में क्या हो जाएगा, बी के पास आएंगे ए ई, सो बी कम टू ए ई, सो हु विल रिजेक्ट।
जस्ट एक सेकंड बताइए ना, ये एक बारी हाँ, जो स्टेप 1 में अब जो हमने लिखा कि ए को कौन प्रपोज़ करेगा, सो
या
दिस इज़ द मेन्स प्रेफरेंसेस, तो हमको इसमें रो वाइज़ देखना है ना ऊपर वाले में?
ये रो वाइज देख लिया, देखो तो ये फीमेल है ए, और ये है
हाँ,
मेल की चॉइसेस यहाँ पर।
करेक्ट, करेक्ट। तो
सो
मेल इन
ए को कौन प्रपोज कर रहे हैं? ओनली डी।
डी,
डी का जो फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस है ए है, सो
करेक्ट,
ए को प्रेफरेंस करेगा डी।
करेक्ट,
When we come to B, A and E both they like B, so they will propose
करेक्ट,
to B. C,
करेक्ट।
nobody is first choice, so nobody is proposing.
हुँ,
D, B is first choice, so B will propose.
अच्छा,
E similarly nobody is proposing, so E को भी कोई propose नहीं करेगा।
ओके।
Sir, B is liked by A, E, and C also, right?
Which one?
B is liked by A, E, and C also.
A, E and C. Sorry, yeah.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes, yes.
Thank you so much for pointing out. Okay. Now what we do, we go to B and see कौन सा उसका choice है. So who will reject? Okay, he will reject E and A both, and he
बी.
is
Right.
already with C. So he will reject A and E. So second
अब ये
step
बी
में
वाला
हम
कहाँ से देख रहे हैं हम? बी वाला कहाँ से देख रहे हैं?
ये
Choices
बी
से.
वाला हमने यहाँ के बी की चॉइस से देखा. बी की चॉइस यहाँ से आ गई ना हमारी,
अच्छा
बी की
अच्छा अच्छा,
चॉइस यहाँ
यहाँ
से
से ये लिखे हुए हैं हमारे, बराबर.
है ना, हमने लिख लिया पहले.
हम्म.
So now see A, where A will go. A will go to A now. Next choice.
Right.
हम्म.
Right.
Where
ए
E will go. E will go to D.
ए विल गो टू
A will go to next preference, capital A,
कैपिटल ए. यस.
and E will go to
ई विल
D.
गो टू डी. हम्म.
So here we get B and E. ये हो गया स्टेप क्या हमारा. Now again check A D A में कौन सा है. A D A में तो he will reject D.
ही विल रिजेक्ट डी.
Okay.
हम्म.
D का B E है. B E. So who will reject क्या. He will reject B.
Yeah.
यस.
Now come to third. So we get A, C, E. Now where D will go now? D will go to D.
डी विल गो टू
His
डी विल गो टू डी. या.
okay.
Go to right.
And
Yeah.
where B will go? B will go to
बी विल गो टू बी.
B. So he will come here. So इसमें देखिए फिर से B में C B, B C B. So what he will do? He will reject B.
बी. यस.
And D E D, D E D. He will reject D.
ही विल रिजेक्ट ई ना. ई.
D
ई
D.
डी था ना.
हाँ A
नहीं
E D
ई
C है ना तो.
नहीं, किसका देख रहे हैं? डी. अच्छा सॉरी सॉरी. हाँ करेक्ट.
Okay. Now fourth step. A C E. Now where B will go? B will go to A. Is this okay?
यस.
Okay. And where D will go? D will go to C.
डी विल गो टू डी विल गो टू सी. या.
C. Okay. So here okay, D will come. Now check. अब ये तो हो गए. Only we have to check for A. A B. A में देखिए किसको रिजेक्ट करेगा. वो B को रिजेक्ट करेगा.
वो ए करेगा. ए हाँ बी को करेगा. यस.
ओके. तो टाइम स्टेप 5 पर आ गए. A C D E. Now where B will go? B will go to now.
बी विल
Go
गो
to
टू
C.
डी बी ए सी. यस.
C. ओके. C पे आ गया B यहाँ पर. अब ये किसको रिजेक्ट करेगा. D B. D में
डी
देखो.
में डी में ये है डी एंड बी. इट विल रिजेक्ट बी.
B. Very good. So now we'll get A C D E. And where B will go now?
नाउ बी विल
Will
गो
go to
टू
E.
डी से निकला है ई.
E. तो यहाँ पर अपना आ गया B. तो ये वाले जो स्टेप्स हैं आपका ये कंप्लीट हो गया. नाउ देयर इज नो फर्दर रिजेक्शन.
यस.
और ये जो फर्स्ट स्टेप था हमने जीरो वाला काउंट नहीं किया था. तो 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 है. सो हाउ मेनी स्टेप्स कैन वी टुक टू टर्मिनेट.
जीरो में क्या किया था हमने?
जीरो में हमने इनिशियल चॉइस लिखी थी. इनिशियल
अच्छा
चॉइस.
उसको काटना पीटना फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट किया.
यस.
ओके.
तो ये क्लियर हो गया सभी का.
यस.
एनी डाउट क्या. अब इसी को सेकंड पार्ट इन्होंने बोला है कि भाई ये बताओ अगर वुमेन प्रपोज करती है तो क्या होगा. उसको
Okay.
कर ले फिर से फटाफट.
हाँ
तो
यस
ये
यस.
उल्टा हो जाएगा ना, मतलब टेबल.
यस यस. सो उल्टा हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, उसमें एक ही में हो जाता है. वी विल राइट A B C D E.
राइट.
नाउ A को चेक करो कि A को कौन कौन प्रपोज करेगा.
ए को कौन कौन बी.
A किसका नंबर 1 है. ओनली D का है.
ए
राइट.
हमें किस में देखना है अब
सेकंड
इसको?
टेबल से. सेकंड टेबल से.
सेकंड टेबल से हॉरिजॉन्टली, वर्टिकली?
वर्टिकली।
अच्छा ठीक है।
बी का देखो, बी का कौन है? सी।
राइट, बी का सी।
सी का देखो, बी।
बी का सी,
बी
सी
का,
का बी, यस।
डी का ई,
डी का ई, एंड ई का ए।
ए। राइट।
So single step you get the solution. Okay?
ओके।
यस।
Yeah. Okay. So I think this was the last question.
हाँ, इसमें तो ABCD खाली लिखना है।
ठीक है, इसमें बाद में उन्होंने सब वो पूछा है कि कौन से किसके साथ में मैच हो रहे हैं. So this is how you do it. Okay. Any doubt, any confusion about this? I can
ना,
do again.
खाली इसमें मेरे को एक ही बात बता दीजिए, हाउ डू वी चूज किसका रोज लेना है, किसका कॉलम्स लेना है, वो मुझे अभी
तो
थोड़ा क्लियर नहीं
ठीक
है।
है, चलो अभी इसी का एग्जांपल लेके ना इसी में देख लेते हैं कि कैसे करेंगे हम इसको.
हम्म,
अब ये देखो, ये हमने ले लिया, ये हमने यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर दिया. इसमें इसने दिया मेंस प्रेफरेंसेस. ओके, और मैन कहां पर है? यहाँ पर है.
हाँ,
तो मैन की प्रेफरेंसेस 1 2 3 4 5 आ गई.
अच्छा रो वाइज देखेंगे, तो यानी कि ये हमारी हो गई BADEC, करेक्ट ना?
तो हाँ, तो ए की अगर हम प्रेफरेंस लिखेंगे तो BADEC. ओके,
हम्म,
सो दिस इज द मैन प्रेफरेंस. यहाँ पे वुमेन प्रेफरेंस आ गई, वुमेन हमारी टॉप पर है.
हाँ,
सो इनकी ऐसे आएगी.
अच्छा समझा।
ओके, सो यहाँ
लेकिन
पर ए.
जब भी हम देख, वो ठीक है, वो ठीक है। जैसे हम
हाँ,
देख रहे थे कि मेल प्रपोज करेगा कि फीमेल प्रपोज करेगा, तो उसके हिसाब से कैसे जो चेंज हो रहा है, तो उसमें
यस,
कुछ फर्क पड़ता है क्या?
बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. आपने देखा ना, उसमें 7 स्टेप्स में टर्मिनेट हुआ और इसमें एक ही स्टेप में
हाँ
टर्मिनेट हो
नहीं,
गया.
वो ठीक है, मतलब वेयर डू यू सी, दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट टू आस्क।
So how do you do that? For example, if they give you a question, man proposing. Okay.
हाँ,
So when you do man proposing, so who are females? Capital A.
यस।
Now you start pairing them with the man. So
हम्म,
first step में A का देखो कि A की जो चॉइस है, A में किस मेल की वो फर्स्ट चॉइस है? ओनली D की है.
हम्म,
B में A भी है, C भी है, E भी है. All three male will propose to her.
ठीक है,
इसमें कोई भी फर्स्ट चॉइस नहीं है तो nobody will propose to her.
हम्म,
Here B will propose and here nobody will propose.
ठीक है, स्टेप्स आई अंडरस्टूड, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू सी कि कौन से उसमें देखना है।
हाँ,
ओके, ठीक है।
ठीक है.
उसके
एंड
बाद
इफ है क्या, फॉर एग्जांपल वुमेन है क्या प्रपोजिंग,
हम्म,
तो वुमेन का है तो आप मेल लिख लेंगे ABCDE.
हम्म,
अब इसमें देखेंगे ए जो है वो किसकी फर्स्ट चॉइस है? बी की है.
अच्छा, हाँ,
बी सी की है. सी बी की है. डी ई की है.
ठीक है,
एंड ई इज ई की है.
यस,
ई इज ए. तो ये
ठीक
यहाँ
है,
पे टर्मिनेट हो जाता है. देयर इज नो
ठीक है,
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एट ऑल.
अंडरस्टूड। ओके, ओके,
ओके.
ओके, क्लियर, क्लियर, थैंक्स।
So week 7 is finished. Okay, we'll take just 2 minutes break before we start. Okay.
ओके।
Okay, let's start with week 8. I'll just open it. Week 8. Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. सो वीक 7 का जो हमारे इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्या हमें समझ में आए, एक तो हाउ टू चेक द स्टेबिलिटी, स्टेबल मैचिंग है हाउ वी हैव टू चेक, सो इट इज वेरी इजी, एंड सेकंड है हाउ टू अप्लाई दैट एल्गोरिथम. दीज आर द ओनली टू मेन थिंग्स. नाउ वी कम टू वीक 8. सो वीक 8 में जो इंपॉर्टेंट टर्मिनोलॉजीज हैं, फर्स्ट इज हर्डिंग. हर्डिंग इज नथिंग बट इट इज अ कास्केडिंग इफेक्ट, और इसका मतलब क्या होता है, दैट हर्ड व्हेन यू आर फॉलोइंग अदर्स. So, for example, the professor had given one example that there are two buckets. In one bucket, there is one blue, two red, and in another bucket, there are two blue
One
and
red.
one red. So, what he gave an example that, okay, for example, you ask first student that you pick up a ball and say whether it is blue majority or the red majority. So, if the student one picks up a blue ball, so definitely he will say it is a blue majority. Now, student 2, he goes, he either picks up a blue ball, then definitely he will say blue majority, or he picks up a red ball, then he might say red majority, or he can say blue majority. But however, if this thing has happened, that both the students they have called blue majority, then the third student when he goes, now whether he picks up blue or red, if he picks up blue, definitely he calls blue majority. If he picks up red also, then also he calls blue majority. So now what has happened? He picked up a red ball, but he says blue majority because he has got a prior information that first two students had called it blue majority. And this is known as cascading effect. And it is happening why? Because it is happening due to the sequential information.
Hmm.
Okay. And where does it happen? For example, he gave another example that if you got a boardroom meetings, now one member has said something, the second member has also followed the same, and he has also said the same thing. Then all other members then they start following it, and it is a very common thing. Now, if we take the mathematics inside that, then it comes from the conditional probabilities. So theoretical part you can go. I have started with that. So मैं आपको इसका mathematics बता देता हूँ. So see, first student goes and he picks up a ball and he says blue majority. And for example, he picked up a blue ball. Now, probability of this being a blue majority and ball being blue is equal to probability of blue oblique blue majority into probability of blue majority divided by probability of blue. This is your base theorem.
Yes.
Okay. Now, for the student 1, we can calculate this. So what we need P B oblique BM, that we know it is equal to 2 by 3. If it is a blue majority, then what is the probability of blue ball? 2 by 3.
Yes.
Probability of blue majority is half because there are only two buckets.
Hmm.
And probability of blue is equal to half into probability of blue in first bucket, 2 by 3,
Hmm.
plus half into probability blue in the red bucket, that is 1 by
1 by
3.
3. Hmm.
This becomes half. Therefore,
Yes.
probability of blue major getting blue is equal to 2 by 3 into half divided by 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3.
Yes.
Is that okay? Now,
Yes.
we come to second. Now, the second student comes and he also picks up, for example, a blue ball, let's say. Then what is the probability that he will call it blue major? So this will become probability into B by BM into probability
Mm-hmm.
of BM and probability of BB.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this also we can calculate probability of BB amongst BM is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 by 3.
हम्म
Probability of BM is equal to
बी
half.
बी बी मतलब क्या, दो बी बॉल्स उठाए क्या?
हाँ, दो बी बॉल्स,
अच्छा,
मतलब दो, उसने फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट ने ब्लू लिया, उसने ब्लू
हाँ
मेजर कर दिया. Now we are
हाँ.
saying the second student comes, he also picks up a blue ball. What is the probability that he will call it a blue measure?
So
बट वो
we are
चेंज
taking
करके नहीं
in
लिखे हैं.
action.
Uh, no, that has been changed. Okay. What we are trying to prove that he will definitely say blue measure.
Knowing that the previous student is also said that this is a blue measure, right?
Yes, yes. So this first blue is coming from the first student.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now he
Yeah.
has picked up a blue. What is the blue majority? And now what is the probability of BB? Is equal to half into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus half into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3.
हम्म
This will become half 4 by 9 plus 1 by 9 is equal to 5 by 18.
यस.
Okay, therefore, probability of BM oblique BB is equal to 4 by 9 into 1 by 2 by 5 by 18. 9 to the 18, 18 cancel. It is 4 by 5. So this is 80% of the probability that if he gets the second blue ball, then definitely he will say blue measure.
ओके.
Okay. Now, utilizing the same principle, now we come to know third case student. Now, third student, let's assume that he picks up a red ball. Now, find probability blue measure oblique red, blue, blue. First student picked up blue.
यस.
Second student called out blue.
हम्म
Whether he picked up red or blue, but he called out blue. Red, okay, now he has picked up red. Now, what is the probability that third student will call out blue measure? So this we are trying to prove mathematically that how cascading happens. Okay, the red student
हम्म
has third student has picked up red. Now this will become probability of RBB over BM into
हम्म.
probability of BM and probability of RRB, RBB. Is that okay?
यस. यस.
Probability of red, blue, blue in blue measure is 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3,
हाँ
4 by 27.
हाँ.
Probability of BM is equal to half, and probability of RBB is equal to half. If this is a first ball, then it is 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3
यस.
plus half into R 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3,
यस.
4 by 27 plus 2 by 27.
हाँ
4 plus 2, 6. So this will become 2, 3, 6. 3 by 27 is equal to 1 by 9.
ओके.
Therefore, probability of BM over RBB is equal to 4 over 27 into 1 by 2 over 1 by 9. 9, 3 are 27. So this becomes 4 by 6 is equal to 67%.
यस.
So mathematically, what we have proven that third student is picking up a red ball, but then also this probability which is there, he will call out blue majority.
Can you repeat that probability of RBB?
RBB, this part.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So in the first bucket, if I'm picking up the first bucket, so this is a blue major bucket.
Yeah, right.
So probability of R is 1 by 3.
Mm-hmm.
Blue is 2 by 3. And this is
Yeah.
2 by 3.
Yeah, yeah.
Now we come to red major. So red major R is 2 by 3. B is 1 by
Oh,
3.
okay,
1 by
okay.
3.
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So mathematically, we have proven that okay, whatever happens with the third student, he will still call out as a blue measure. So your cascading has happened. Now the fourth student, whatever he will pick up, he will say blue measure. Fifth one comes, he will also call it blue major. So can we say that this cascading effect can have wrong results also?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. That is the main idea. And that also can be proven mathematically also. So this is the maths model of this experiment I have already explained. Blue major. And so this is important. Harding cascading effect has started. This can lead to wrong results also. Okay.
Hmm.
And he has given example that first student draws blue, so he calls out blue majority. This but case is red majority. The bag is red, but the first one he draws blue, he will announce blue majority. The probability of that is 1 by 3. Second one also comes, he draws blue, he also announces blue majority. Probability is 1 by 3. So probability of calling blue majority by both students, however the bag is red majority, is 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. Probability is 1 by 9. Okay. Now the third student, when he comes, for example, whatever he draws, he will announce as a blue majority. So your probability of incorrect decision is more than 1 by 9. And the third situation he has taken, that for example, if the second student draws red and he announces B, so he has calculated that probability is 1 by 3. So combined probability of wrong decision is around 4 by 9, which is equal to around 50%. So your cascading effect can be wrong also. Okay, that's the maths part here. So this maths I have done. So these are the lessons from cascades. That cascades can be wrong. Okay, and we have seen how they can be wrong. So what can be a better way? This herd mentality जो होती है हमने we have seen in our offices. So how to overcome cascades? If we have the simultaneous, this cascading always happens sequential. That we see the behavior of first person, then the second person, and then we take a decision. However, if we take a decision simultaneously, then more the number of people taking the decision, better the accuracy. So that is the takeaway from this. This is all is theoretical part. You can go through this theory. Okay, this already has covered. The second main concept was voting. So we have covered about herding. Herding of a cascading effect. Second is voting, where different types of voting patterns have been covered in the lecture. The first is the majority rule, that you take a majority view and you declare him a winner. Completeness and transitivity we had covered, I think, if I'm not wrong, during one of the lecture. Am I right here? Somebody can acknowledge transitivity and completeness.
Hmm.
Okay, so just for the completeness purpose, I will say what is transitivity and what is completeness. Transitivity and completeness. Completeness means one. If there are three choices A, B, C, then completeness means that an individual is able to distinguish or prefer the items. For example, he prefers A to B and B to C. It means completeness. Transitivity means that if you are preferring A to B and B to C, then A is preferred to C. This is transitivity.
हाँ ठीक है.
Okay. Yeah. So he has covered these concepts. Okay, then we go to voting ka main. What are the main types of voting? So first is the majority rule. You take majority and you declare a winner. But in the majority, what happens? He has given an example that there are three individuals, 1, 2, and 3. There are three alternatives, A, B, and C. The first ranking is A prefers to B, B is preferred over C. Second gives the ranking B, C, A, that B is preferred over C and C is preferred over A. Third is C over A and A over B. Now you see here and you compare, A is preferred over B in two cases, 1 and 2. B is preferred over C in two cases, B over C, B over C. So if we would have followed transitivity, then A should be preferred over C. But C is preferred over A in two cases. So whenever we have got this majority type of voting, it does not follow the transitivity. So transitivity is violated. So this is one takeaway from majority voting. That in majority voting, when you take as a group is not transitive, that they are not able to give the correct preferences. So this is, and their outcome is susceptible to agenda setting. That if, for example, somebody wants to make A win, so he will say that in the first round, play only B and C. I'll just take this example only. I'll complete here only. Okay, these are the choices. For example, number 1 has given choices A over B, B over C. 2 is B over C, C is over A. Third is C over A over B. Now, there is somebody who wants A to win. So what he will do? He will check A where A is winning. So A wins over B. So he would lay this situation A over B in last. Then only A will win. So what he will do? The second which is there, he will say vote between B and C. So between B and C, who will win? B over C. B over C. So B will win. Now vote between the winner of this and A. So now A and B. So A is greater than B. So A will win. So this is one case where you want A to win. Second, if somebody wants B to win, then what will happen? B wins over C. So this B over C, you would like to be having in last ticker. So what you will do? You will ask vote between A and C. So see A and C, who will win? C will win.
Yes.
And then B and C, B is greater than C, so B will win. So what is happening in this case? You can set an agenda. Is this okay?
Yes.
इसमें आप एजेंडा सेट करके किसी को भी whoever you want him to win, by setting the agenda you can manipulate.
हाँ ठीक है, ये तो हमने उसमें भी किया था ना, वीक 1-2 में भी ऐसा कुछ था ना ट्रांजिटिविटी वाला.
हाँ. Yes. That's why I said ना कि already we have covered. Okay, so this is the problem with this again majority ruling. Okay, so this is the majority ruling का ये problem है कि आप एजेंडा सेट करके strategic agenda set करके you can do that. Now second type of voting is positional voting. What you do, you give okay, positions to every choice 1 2 3. Okay, जैसे A B C D ये वाले choice दे रखे हैं. There are 4 choices A B C D and you are giving choices और जिसकी जो पोजीशन सबसे हाई आती है उसको आप विनर डिक्लेयर कर देते हैं.
अच्छा.
For example, in this case, B 3 plus 2 is 5. So B is getting the maximum points, so he is declared as a winner. लेकिन इसमें ये इसको बोलते हैं हमें क्या पोजिशनल को बोर्ड अकाउंट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द सेम, इट इज पोजिशनल एनकोडिंग.
नहीं बट ये आपने सम कैसे किया है इसमें, जैसे ए और सी का ही आपने
ये
लिया
है
इसमें.
देखो A ओवर B ओवर C ओवर D. ओके, सेकंड ने दिया B ओवर C ओवर A ओवर D. तो अपने चॉइसेस क्या हो गए? ये 0 हो गया, ये 1 हो गया, ये 2 हो गया, ये 3 हो गया.
हाँ.
ओके, तो अब देखिए ए के जो चॉइस है वो एक 3 है और एक 1 है, 4 हो गया।
नहीं 1
बी
कैसे है
का
मतलब कैसे?
1 यहाँ पर आ गया ना, ये 1 है ना, 0 1।
अच्छा, अच्छा, अच्छा अंडरस्टूड, नाउ आई अंडरस्टूड। ओके,
ठीक है,
ओके,
ये
ओके।
वोटर 1 ने किया है, ये वोटर 2 ने
जी,
किया
जी,
है।
जी। ओके, 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 नाउ
ओके,
अंडरस्टूड।
बी ने 3 + 2 किया, 5 हो गया।
हुँ, 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 हुँ।
तो बी इज डिक्लेयर्ड एज अ विनर।
ठीक
इसमें
है।
प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, जब बोर्ड काउंट होती है, इसमें सबसे मेन प्रॉब्लम होती है कि एज सुन एज यू मेक अ न्यू प्लेयर एंटर द गेम, then it can change the dynamics. For example, he has
करेक्ट।
given one case that there are 5 sports experts. They are asked to discuss their choice for the greatest male footballer of all the time between
हुँ,
Pele and Maradona. So out of 5, 3 they say that Pele is greatest. So by majority, Pele is declared as a greatest. Okay. लेकिन मान लो कि एट द लास्ट मोमेंट इट इज डिसाइडेड टू इंक्लूड मेसी आल्सो एज एन ऑप्शन। सो जैसे
हुँ,
मेसी आता है तो वो बोर्ड अकाउंट में चले जाते हैं। सो बोर्ड अकाउंट में
हुँ,
सी they have given that first 3 experts they rank Pele 2-1-0. Other
हुँ,
2 experts they rank Maradona, Messi, Pele.
हुँ,
Now you find for Pele कितना हो जाएगा, 2 into 3 plus 0 into 2 is equal to 6.
हुँ,
Maradona will become 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2 is equal to 7.
हुँ,
सो मैसी के आने से क्या हो गया, जो पेले को पहले मेजोरिटी से पेले वाज बीइंग डिक्लेयर्ड, नाउ मैराडोना
हुँ,
हैज बीन डिक्लेयर्ड। सो ब्रैड
ओके।
दिस बॉर्डर काउंट जो होता है, इट गेट्स अफेक्टेड बाय अ न्यू अल्टरनेटिव। दिस इज द टेक्निक।
हुँ, ओके।
ओके, देन वोटिंग सिस्टम से क्या, अगेन ही हैज गिवन एग्जांपल। अनदर एग्जांपल इज प्लूरलिटी वोटिंग। Plurality voting means, for example, he has given this: health over security, education over health, and number 5. And these are the numbers. People, they were asked their choices.
हुँ,
So in the plurality voting, whichever gets the most first place, he is declared as a winner. So in this case, who will be declared as a winner?
मोस्ट फर्स्ट प्लेस सिक्योरिटी।
Security. Okay. So in this case, okay, security will be declared.
हुँ,
लेकिन अगर इसमें हम मेजोरिटी वोटिंग करेंगे, तो मेजोरिटी से कौन जीतेगा बताइए? हेल्थ ओवर
मेजॉरिटी से
सिक्योरिटी कितनों ने किया? 3 ने किया।
हाँ,
Health over security 3,
हुँ,
then plus 4 7.
हुँ,
Security versus education 3 plus 5 8.
हुँ,
Education versus health 4 plus 5 9.
यस,
So in this case, who will win? Education will win.
एजुकेशन।
So see, having a different kind of voting system, the winners also they can change.
हुँ,
Okay. Second क्या वो है? Second type of voting is known as instant runoff. What it does, it adds up each topic's first place rankings. जो first place rankings है उसको add कीजिए. If any
हुँ,
topic has more than 50%, then it is declared as a winner. अगर 50% से नीचे है तो सबसे जो लास्ट वाला है उसको डिस्कार्ड कर दीजिए and do the exercise again. So for example, in this case, health, how many times he was number one? He was out of 3 by 12. This is
यस,
total 12 times. So
यस,
this is 0.25. Education 4 by 12, 0.33. Security
हुँ,
5 by 12, 0.42. So nobody is a winner. So what do? You struck health. And then again
हुँ,
you do the exercise. So now how many will be left? Again, now only 9 will be left. So 4
हुँ,
by 9, 5 by 9. So then security will win. So this is an instant
ओके,
runoff example.
ओके।
Third is the co-planned method. Co-planned method, the winner is the topic who wins the most hypothetical two persons contest against other contest. So इसमें दो
हुँ,
पर्सन की कॉन्टेस्ट आप लगाएंगे. हेल्थ एंड सिक्योरिटी, फॉर एग्जांपल, हेल्थ एंड सिक्योरिटी वी हैड डन. सो हेल्थ एंड सिक्योरिटी 3 plus 4 7. Security versus health, security versus education, education versus health, health versus education, education versus security. So this we get number. So how many times health is winning? So health is winning against security 7 times, against
हुँ,
education 3 times. So health win 10 times.
यस,
Security wins 5 plus 8 13 times.
हुँ,
Education wins 9 plus 4 13 times. तो यहाँ पर आपका टाई हो गया सिक्योरिटी एंड एजुकेशन का. ओके. Fourth है only from the theoretical point of view. Now we have seen all the voting systems and we have seen the pros and cons. Now they say that which is the voting system which has got unanimity, कि जिसमें ग्रुप का भी आपका ट्रांजिटिविटी होनी चाहिए एंड आपका वो बेस्ट डिसीजन होना चाहिए. So from the theoretical point of view, it emerges that it can lead only to the dictatorship. बाकी votings में there are flaws. Okay, so that is from the theoretical point of view. That only dictatorship can have. Voting and information aggregation, like I covered earlier, that sequential will always lead to the cascading effect. अगर आपको एक better method चाहिए तो then you can have simultaneous, और simultaneous में जितने भी number of players होंगे इतना ही आपकी accuracy जो है decision making की that improves. Okay, then with this again we come to GS. Okay. Suppose there are 4 alternatives named A, B, C, and D. There are 3 voters who have the following individual rankings. These are the rankings. So इसमें उसने बोला है you are in charge of designing an agenda for considering the alternatives in pairs and eliminating them using majority vote by an elimination tournament in the style of example discussed in lecture. You would like alternate A to win. Okay. अब आप चाहते हैं कि A जीतना चाहिए. तो हमेशा इसकी टिप है कि आप कैसे चालू करेंगे. देखो A और B सबसे लास्ट में होना चाहिए तभी A जीतेगा.
यस यस.
तो और जो A B है B का देखो B किससे जीतता है? B C से जीतता है. तो फर्स्ट क्या आपकी A B की फाइट होनी चाहिए, उसके पहले B C की फाइट होनी चाहिए और C की सबसे पहले होनी चाहिए. इज दैट क्लियर?
यस.
तो सबसे पहले आप किसकी फाइट करेंगे? CD की करेंगे. CD में कौन इमर्ज करेगा? C will be winner.
यस.
Then you will do BC की. So here B will win. And then last में आप करेंगे AB की. Then only A will win. So this is the agenda setting and how you can do it.
ठीक है.
Okay, is that clear? Okay, this hint.
यस यस.
Okay. So this we can do easily. How many rounds है? So there are 3 rounds है, and this you can draw like this also. लेकिन इसमें यही याद रखो कि अगर मान लो कि इसमें B को जिताना था हमें फॉर एग्जांपल, तो क्या करते हैं?
बी को जिताना है तो यानी कि हमको ये चाहिए कि बी को सी से सबसे लास्ट में ऐसा आना चाहिए.
फॉर B टू विन. तो B किससे जीतता है? B हमेशा C से जीतता है. ओके, तो B और C की सबसे लास्ट में होनी चाहिए.
यस.
उसके पहले C किससे जीतता है? C D से
डी
जीतता
से
है.
जीत रहा है और
तो
डी
ये
ए से जीत रहा है.
और D A से जीतता है.
करेक्ट.
ओके, इज दिस क्लियर?
यस.
ओके, गुड. नाउ ये एक कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी का क्वेश्चन है, मैथमेटिक्स है, बहुत ही इजी है. यू कैन गो थ्रू दिस. सपोज दैट इन सम सिटी 80% ऑफ द कैब्स आर ब्लैक, remaining 20% are yellow. So probability of black is 0.8, probability of yellow is 0.2. A witness to a hit and run accident involving a cab states that the cab involved was yellow. He is claiming कि जो cab थी वो yellow है. Suppose that eyewitness's testimony is imperfect and if a cab is yellow, then a witness will call it as a yellow only 80% of the times. Means, इसको मैं copy कर देता हूँ इसको पूरे को. So इसमें से first we will write what is given, then everything becomes easy. So first it has been given probability of black is 80%.
यस.
Probability of yellow is 0.2. Okay. Then it is given probability. He says a cab is yellow, then a witness will claim it as a yellow only 80% of the times.
So yellow
It means
given yellow is 0.8.
Yellow claims yellow is 0.8. It means probability of claiming black over yellow will be how much?
0.2.
Okay. Probability of claiming black over black is also 80%. Probability of claiming yellow, over black is 0.2. So this is the information
ठीक है.
that's been given. Now, what is the probability that eyewitness reports the cab to be yellow? कितनी होगी इसकी probability?
Okay, so that means what he wants is Probability reports the cab to be yellow. Okay.
येलो, कोई भी
Hmm.
कार है, बट आई डोंट नो कौन
हाँ,
सी कार है, येलो है,
correct,
तो ये क्या हो जाएगा,
correct.
देखो, दिस विल बिकम प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ कार बीइंग येलो, अगर वो येलो थी,
Yellow. Correct.
इनटू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ कार येलो अगर वो ब्लैक थी, ये हो
Hmm.
जाएगा. इज दिस ओके?
Correct, 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 correct.
नाउ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ क्लेमिंग y ओवर y इज 0.8, एंड ये कितनी बार होता है ये वाला आपका?
ये 0.8.
नहीं नहीं, एक और था.
Claiming yellow 0.2 times ना.
बट अभी हमें ये नहीं पता कि ये थी क्या ये अपनी. सी,
Okay.
ये येलो में भी देखो, चलो इसका फिर से करते हैं. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ कार है और येलो कर रहे हैं, तो ये हो जाएगा प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ येलो ओवर येलो, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ येलो ओवर ब्लैक. लेकिन
Hmm.
इसमें प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ब्लैक और इसकी भी दे रखा है ना इसमें.
Correct,
तो,
correct.
तो ये हो जाएगा प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ येलो कितना है, 0.2, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ येलो
हाँ,
इनटू दिस, एंड ये हो जाएगा प्लस इनटू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ब्लैक. इज दिस
correct,
ओके?
correct.
So
Yes.
probability of yellow is 0.2.
Hmm.
Probability of claiming yellow over yellow is 0.8.
Yes.
Probability of claiming yellow over black is yellow over black is 0.2,
0.2. Hmm.
and black is 0.8.
Hmm.
So this becomes 0.16 plus 0.16, 0.32.
0.32.
Is this clear to everyone?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now second part of this question is, what is the probability that cab is yellow given that witness says it is yellow? So probability of yellow, he claims yellow, is equal to probability claims yellow over yellow into probability of yellow divided by probability of calling yellow.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now probability of calling yellow over yellow हमें पता है यहाँ पर 0.8 है.
Yes.
प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ येलो हमें पता है 0.2 है. हमें निकालना
Yes.
है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ कॉलिंग येलो, तो
नहीं,
हमने यहाँ पे निकाल लिया,
calling yellow 0.32 है ना, ऊपर निकाला.
है ना, ये निकला है, तो सीधे यहाँ पर हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. कॉलिंग येलो ओवर येलो इज 0.8
Hmm.
into 0.2 into
Yes. 0.8.
0.32, so 0.6, this will become 0.5.
Yes.
Okay. तो यही है, ये आ गया. ये कास्केडिंग वाले हैं, जैसे क्या ये भी करे सॉल्व इसको. कास्केडिंग वाला हमने देखा नहीं था, फिर से कर लेते हैं, वैसे मैंने किया था.
Okay.
या विल डू फास्ट है क्या, अभी मेरा एलएलएम 9 o'clock पर है.
Yes. Yes. If you want, we can wrap up. You can, if you want
नहीं
to
नहीं,
take
जस्ट
that.
सेकंड विल डू इट फास्ट है क्या. ओके.
Okay.
So consider the example of cascade. क्या now the urn is containing 3 blue marbles and 2 red marbles and 3 marble and 2 blue marbles. So this is 3 and 2. 1, 2, 3.
Three red, two blue. Equal probability
Okay.
half of. Hmm.
Suppose one marble is picked up from the blue marble. What is the probability that marble is blue? Probability of blue over blue marble कितना होगा? 3/5. Simple.
Yes.
Okay. Second. What is the probability that urn is blue majority if the first student draws a blue marble? So this is probability of blue major over
Hmm.
blue is equal to probability of blue over blue marble into probability of blue marble divided by probability of blue.
Blue.
Okay. So probability of blue over blue marble is how much? 3/5.
Yes.
Probability of BM is half,
Half.
and probability of blue will become half into 3/5 plus half into 2/5
Yes.
is equal to half. 3/5 plus 2/5 is equal to half.
Yes.
ओके, तो ये बन जाएगा हमारा 3/5 into half divided by half is equal to 3/5. ओके,
Okay.
सो अगर ये 3/5 हो जाता है तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि शुड द फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट गेस द अर्न टू बी ब्लू मेजोरिटी. सो 3/5 कितना होता है हमारा 0.6.
Yes.
So 0.6 is greater than 0.5.
Hmm.
So he will call it blue majority.
Yes.
Yes. Next.
अच्छा.
Now suppose the first three students draw the marble in the sequence blue, blue, red.
Yes.
Okay, ये हमने किया हुआ था. So what is
Correct.
the
पहले किया था.
probability of BM over BBR is equal to probability of BBR
EBR.
over BM,
EM.
probability of BM
EM नीचे
over
BBR.
probability of BBR.
BBR. Yes.
So probability of BBR over BM is equal to 3/5 into 3/5 into 2/5.
5. Yes.
3 are 15, 2 are 30, 30 by 1, 2, 5, 3, 3 are 9, 2 are 18, sorry.
हाँ नहीं आप कैलकुलेशन छोड़ दीजिए ना. It's okay.
Okay. And probability of BBR क्या हो जाएगा? Is equal to
Probability half.
into 3/5 into 3/5 into 2/5
Yes.
plus
Plus
half into
2/5.
probability 2/5 into 2/5 into
3/5.
3/5.
Yes.
ठीक है? Put
Sure.
these numbers, you will get the answer.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, we had done this. Okay, so this again. What is the probability of getting this sequence if the earned is red majority? तो इसमें आपको निकालना है BBR
उल्टा कर.
oblique RM. पहले निकाला उसने BM if it is a blue majority. Blue majority का ये निकाल लिया हमने फॉर्मूला.
Correct.
यहाँ पे निकाल लिया और फाइनली ये वाला फिट
Same.
कर दिया
Same.
हमने. Okay, so यही है. This was the last question.
ठीक है. Done. धन्यवाद.
Okay, any
धन्यवाद.
question by anyone?
तो ये हम लोग खाली अभी एक दिन आप सेट कर लीजिए जिस दिन हम लोग अपना वो कर लेंगे.
PYQ ना, previous year question पेपर.
PYQ. हाँ एक ही पेपर
हाँ.
है ना हमारे पास.
हाँ, एक ही पेपर है तो ग्रेडेड असाइनमेंट जो है वो तो हमने सारे कर लिए हैं 5 6 7
सारे
8
कर
के.
लिए अभी हमने.
कॉन्सेप्ट है क्या नाउ वी नो व्हाट है क्या. आई कैन रिक्वेस्ट समबडी एक दिन है कि किसी कोई निकाल के आधे घंटे में जो इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स है ना उसको जस्ट जॉट डाउन कर लीजिए.
ठीक है.
वैसे भी व्हाट वी हैव डन है कि वी हैव लर्नड है कॉन्सेप्ट वाइज ओनली.
Yes.
सो वी विल कम टू नो ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट्स अगेन एंड देन एवरीथिंग फॉल्स इनटू द प्लेस.
ठीक है. तो यू वांट अस टू
चलो.
पुट इन द व्हाट्सएप ना इंपॉर्टेंट दिस थिंग.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
ठीक है मैं डालती हूँ. ओके चलिए बाय.